We know that the vaccination helps in building immunity against diseases. The next topic, now we spoke about communicable diseases, how communicable diseases spreads and how we can prevent the spreading of these communicable diseases, and then we need to take the appropriate vaccination at the appropriate time. Moving on to the next is your non-communicable diseases. So we know that communicable diseases are diseases that spreads by direct contact. That is, this germs spreads from one infected person to another. The non-communicable diseases, from the name we understand that diseases which cannot spread from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. So non-communicable diseases are diseases that cannot spread from one person to another. Some of the non-communicable diseases are caused due to the deficiency of a particular nutrient. So when we get a disease, we know that it cannot be spread and it is due to the deficiency of a nutrient. Maybe we may be deficient in carbohydrates or fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage, or even when we fail to intake the correct amount of water. So non-communicable diseases are diseases which cannot spread from one person to another, and some of the non-communicable diseases are mainly caused due to the deficiency of a particular nutrient. So let us talk about the deficiency diseases. So what diseases do we get in case we are deficient in any of the nutrients? So the first is the lack of a nutrient in the diet over a long period of time causes deficiency disease. For example, if we lack iron in our diet for a very long period of time, then we tend to get a particular disease. So the lack of a nutrient in the diet over a long period of time causes deficiency disease. Sometimes the body's inability to absorb nutrients from the food also causes deficiency diseases. So the first point is the lack of a nutrient in the diet that we intake over a long period of time causes deficiency disease. The other point is the body's inability to absorb the nutrients. Though we consume the proper food, the body's inability to absorb that nutrient from the food also causes deficiency diseases. Some of the common deficiency diseases are as follows. So we are going to see what are the deficiency diseases. So from communicable diseases, we moved on to non-communicable diseases. And non-communicable diseases are diseases which cannot spread from one person to another. And some of the non-communicable diseases are caused due to the deficiency of a particular nutrient. So let us see what are the deficiency diseases. So the first is the lack of a nutrient in the diet over a period of time, over a long period of time, causes deficiency diseases. The next is sometimes the body's inability to absorb the nutrients from the food also causes deficiency diseases. So we are going to see what are the common deficiency diseases.